Y'all, everybody is here this morning eating their breakfast. Look like everybody came back. BW, their mother, she come every now and then. I believe she had some more babies somewhere. That means she got about 20 babies right now. And I know one passed away, which was pretty great. And one of them ran away, which is Creole. We don't know what Creole at. BW and his mama still getting into it. He get into it with his mama and his daddy. And Goldie is still here. But she don't let her babies come around. She got two little gold babies in the back somewhere. And then Twin ain't never left. Twin would know where her food come from. But BW was gone for a while and now he is back. He probably wasn't getting fed. Alright, talk to y'all later.